History of Egypt. Egypt is one of the world's oldest civilizations, with a history spanning thousands of years. It has been home to some of the most advanced and influential cultures in human history. The history of Egypt can be divided into several major periods. 1. The era of the pharaohs, circa 3100 BC to 332 BC. Egypt is best known for its ancient civilization, which was ruled by powerful pharaohs. This period is marked by the construction of pyramids, such as the Great Pyramid of Giza. The rule of pharaohs, who were considered divine rulers. The worship of multiple gods, including Ra, Osiris, and Isis. Advances in writing, hieroglyphics, mathematics, and engineering. Egypt's history during this period is divided into three main kingdoms. Old Kingdom, circa 2686 BC to 2181 BC, known for the construction of pyramids. Middle Kingdom, circa 2055 BC to 1650 BC, a time of economic and artistic growth. New Kingdom, circa 1550 BC to 1070 BC, Egypt expanded its empire and reached its peak power. The decline of the pharaonic era began when Alexander the Great conquered Egypt in 332 BC. 2. Greek and Roman rule, 332 BC to 641 AD. After Alexander the Great took over Egypt, it became part of the Greek Empire. The city of Alexandria was established as a major cultural and learning center. Cleopatra VII, 51 BC to 30 BC, was the last ruler of Egypt before it was annexed by the Roman Empire in 30 BC. Egypt remained under Roman rule until the arrival of Islam in 641 AD. 3. The Islamic era, 641 AD to 1517 AD. Muslim armies conquered Egypt in 641 AD under the leadership of Amr ibn al-As. During the caliphate of Umar ibn al-Khattab, Egypt became a center of Islamic learning and civilization. Key developments. Cairo was established as the capital in 969 AD under the Fatimid dynasty. Al-Azhar University, one of the world's oldest universities, was founded in 970 AD. Egypt was ruled by several Islamic dynasties, including the Fatimids, Ayyubids, and Mamluks. 4. Ottoman rule, 1517 AD to 1798 AD. In 1517, the Ottoman Empire took control of Egypt. Egypt remained a province of the Ottomans for over 300 years. Local rulers, such as Muhammad Ali Pasha, 1805, played a key role in modernizing Egypt. 5. European colonialism, 1798 AD to 1952 AD. In 1798, Napoleon Bonaparte invaded Egypt, but the French left by 1801. In 1882, the British occupied Egypt and controlled it until 1952. Although Egypt was declared an independent monarchy in 1922, it remained under British influence. 6. Egypt's independence and modern era, 1952-present. In 1952, the Egyptian Revolution led by the military overthrew King Farouk. In 1956, Egypt became a republic under Gamal Abdel Nasser and nationalized the Suez Canal. In 1967, Egypt fought the Six-Day War against Israel. In 1973, Egypt and Syria launched the Yom Kippur War against Israel. In 1979, Egypt signed the Camp David peace accords with Israel. In 2011, the Arab Spring protests led to the resignation of Hosni Mubarak. In 2014, Abdel Fattah el-Sisi became president and remains in power today. Conclusion: Egypt has a rich and influential history, from the mighty pharaohs to modern times. It has played a central role in the development of civilization, science, and politics, remaining one of the most important countries in the Arab world.